Hi, it's Joe here from Meth Testing Kit. If you purchase one of our DIY laboratory-based test kit, it'll come with some swabs, it'll come with some gloves, template, some blue tack, a New Zealand prepaid bag. It's got the laboratory address in there where you can send it to the laboratory straight. Come with the paperwork to fill in, which I'm going to discuss later how to do this. It'll come with all the instruction you require to become a confident meth tester. Now, there's two ways of doing this laboratory-based test kit. One is an initial screening test. On the initial screening test is you're gonna screen a property where you don't have any idea to see if there's meth in there. There's nothing. It's just like buying a house. So you're gonna order an initial screening test. They'll come with 5 swabs in there. They'll come with 5 templates. I'm gonna put these gloves on and we'll start working. Now, kitchen is one place which is quite important to test because it's got heat, it's got water. Now, if you're swabbing a kitchen, there's quite a few areas that you can swab in a bedroom, which I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm just going to get my stick and this one. Now, in the kitchen, it's quite important to swab that area there. That's one good area. Ceiling is a good area, so you can choose any of this area. That area there, and on the window frame, near the door, that area there. Once again, we're doing an initial test where you get 5 of this, you only get to choose 5 area. You know, if you choose 5 area in the kitchen, it'll just give you 1 result in the kitchen. Now, you want to put 1 in the kitchen, 1 in each bedroom, 1 in the bathroom, or 1 in the garage. It's up to you. You choose 5 area, you get a template to put. So I'm going to choose that area over there. So let's say if we're in a bedroom, window frame is quite good, wall's quite good, 1 in the ceiling near the window, because the air goes in and out of there and the residue will be passing there. Now I'm going to show you how to, let's say we've chosen an area. Let's say if this is a bedroom, I choose that area there. How am I going to test it? Using this one. Now, so you get 5 of these, 5 areas, you choose a swab to start with this one here. So come it nicely folded. All you need to do is go Z area. Right? So you turn it around, you go this area here. And then you turn it 1 more around at the other side and swab as many times as you can in 5 areas that you want. So you can go outside the area if you want, so there's no problem. As I said, this 5 of the swab will give you an average result, 1 result. So this is just telling you, hey, there's a meth in the house, there's no meth in the house. So you can go a little bit over if you want to. That's just going to give you more coverage. So now leave this in there until the result comes out. When you finish with the 5 area, put it back in the container, and we're going to put it in an envelope and send it back. Now you put this back in the bag, and you put the paperwork back in the bag. Okay? Now this will go straight to the laboratory. There's no third person involved to put the dirty swab in there. Now what happens if this comes up positive? Then the detailed test comes in. On the detailed test you get 1 swab. Basically what you need to do right now is test an area. Say 1 in the kitchen, 1 in the bathroom, 1 per bedroom. So it depends how many you want. So you need to order 5 or 3 or 7 to test per area. This will get a good indication for a professional cleaner to see how much cleaning they need required. Now, same thing, you will choose 1 area, 1 swab, and that goes back to the laboratory. Now I'm going to discuss to you about the paperwork, how and what's important, the paperwork. Once you finish buying this, either on our website or on TradeMe, we are going to require the address of the site. We're going to require the sampler who will take the sample. And on the initial test, where you get 5 swab, we are going to need 5 areas. Now all you need to give us is kitchen, bedroom 1, 2, 3, bathroom. We don't want to know if you want to swab it in the ceiling or on the floor. That's up to you. Okay? And the address, the reason why we want address, because I'm going to show you later why, because of the paperwork. We don't want to know, you know, this address will be fully confidential. No one needs to know that except you and the laboratory and me. Now, on the detailed test, if you're doing a detailed test, we're going to need same thing, but you only need to give us one area. And if you buy 2 or 3, we need those area. Now, we will fill in the paperwork for you. Okay, so your paperwork will look like this when you get it. Okay, so it'll have your address, it'll have your areas, and we'll fill that all for you. The information that you give us, we'll fill it in. So all you need to do is give us the date that you swab the test and the time in whatever area you've got, and when did you send it to the laboratory. So that's all you need to fill in when you get your paperwork. You need to send this together with a sample in the bag. Very, very important, or else the laboratory will not process it. Now, when you get your result back, your certificate will look like this. Okay, it will look like your address will be there. For confidentiality, I've actually scrubbed that up. This is an actual sample from a place that I've tested. Now, it'll have your address, it'll have the 5 areas, and it will have the result. Now, the laboratory is known to be the most accurate ways to test for methamphetamine. So it will test for 4 compounds: methamphetamine, amphetamine, euphetamine, and pseudoephedrine. So those are that's why the laboratory is 100% accuracy. Now, when you finish buying this on either on or Trade Me or in our website, the address or the phone number will be automatically emailed to you. Okay, you can either pick this up from Albany or during weekdays, or on the weekend. You're very welcome to pick it up in Green Height. Now, as I said, the phone number will be automatically sent to you. Just give us a text. We'll text back within 5 minutes. Yeah, so that's how easy it is to do the test. We're from Meth Testing Kit, and our email address is methtestingkit.co.nz. Now our email address is methtestingkit@gmail.com. It's easy to remember, and our phone number is 022-045-3682. Thank you. Bye.